Alright guys, you have to excuse me because it is a mess in here. It will be loud, it will be a nightmare. Not everything's hooked up yet. I don't have a radiator in, a fan, so just a little two-step action, and we'll go from there. Let's see what we got. Pretty damn happy with that. Little GoPro going here. We'll stop it from recording.